Hello everyone, my name is Jitin Bapusubala and my parent is 20UT008 and my topic is stability factor. Hello everyone, today we will discuss about a stability factor. Stability factor, it is the ratio of rate of change in collector current IC with respect to the rate of change in reverse saturation collector current by keeping beta and VB is constant. Then we see the formula for stability factor. Stability factor for ICBO is equal to delta of IC upon delta of ICBO, and in term of VB, delta of IC upon delta of VB, and in term of beta, delta of IC upon delta of HAP. Then we see the remarks. First one, it is depends on values of IC and VC. If these values are constant, the stable operating point will be obtained. And second one, it is also should be low for the better performance. Then we see the expression for this stability factor. In the active region, the total collector current IC is given by IC is equal to beta into IB plus in bracket 1 plus beta into ICBO. By differentiating on both sides, we get delta of IC is equal to beta into delta of IB plus in bracket 1 plus beta into delta of ICBO. That we gives a now by dividing delta of IC on both sides, it gives 1 equal to beta into delta of IB upon delta of IC plus 1 plus beta into delta of ICBO upon delta of IC. But S is equal to delta IC upon delta IBO. Which gives 1 minus beta into delta of IB upon delta of IC which is equal to 1 plus beta upon S. Therefore, the main formula for stability factor is 1 plus beta upon 1 minus beta in bracket delta of IB upon delta of IC. Let's take the fixed bias circuit and we see the circuit analysis. Let us consider the input section of the circuit and applying Kirchhoff's voltage law. VCC is equal to IB into RB minus VBE which is equals to 0. Then the base current which is equals to VCE minus VBE upon RB. Then we consider the output section of this circuit and applying KVL loop to collector emitter loop. VCC minus ICRE minus VCE which is equals to 0. Then VCC is equal to ICRC plus VCC and the collector current which is equals to VCC minus VCE upon RC. Let's consider the equation of IB as a and the IC of as a B. Let us see a stabilization of Q point on the load line. It having us design steps for fixed bias. Step 1, selection of RC which is collector resistor. As per the equation B, we get RC is equal to VCC minus VC upon IC. And the step 2, selection for RB which is base resistor. Also as per the equation A, we get RB which is equals to VCC minus VB upon IB. Then go to step 3, selection of a operating point. VC is equal to VCC minus IC into RE. Therefore, by using these equations, we get a new operating point. See the problem based on the stability factor. The problem statement is design a fixed bias circuit using a transistor for current gain of 80 and VCC is 10 volt, and the operating DC bias condition are to be VC is equal to 5 volt and current across collector IC which is equal to 2 milliampere. Obtain the bias condition for current gain variation of plus minus 40 with initial gain. Then we see the solution for this. First one, step first, selection of RC which is a base which is a collector resistor. As per the equation B, RC is equal to VCC minus VCE upon IC, but we take the values from this problem statement. VC is equal to 10 volt and VC is equal to 5 volt and IC is equal to 2 milliampere. By calculating this, we get a 3.5 kilo ohm, 58 kilo ohm, which is approximately equal to 3.6 kilo ohm. Then we go to the next step. Step 2, selection of RB which is the base resistor. And as per the equation A, as per the equation A, we got the formula for RB, which is equal to VCC minus VBE upon IB. Then we take the values. VCC is equal to 10 volt, VB is equal to 0.7, and the IB is equal to 25 microampere.
Start.
We got this IB from the equation of IB, which is equals to IC upon HAP. Then by putting these values, IC is equal to 2 milliampere and the HAP is 80. We got a 25 microampere for the base current, and this value which will take in this formula 25 microampere. By calculating this, we get a 450 kilo ohm, and which is approximately equals to 430 kilo ohm.
Start.
Therefore, we got RB, which is equals to 430 kilo ohm. Then we see the step 3, which is the calculating of new operating point. For the beta, which is equals to 40, it gives previously discussed IV, which is equal to 25 microampere, and the collector current IC, which is equals to HFE into IB, which is equals to 40 into 25 microampere. It gives the values of 1 milliampere, and collector to emitter voltage, we get the formula for VC, which is equals to VCC minus IC into RC. Then by putting these values, 12 minus IC, which is equals to 1 milliampere into 3.5 RC, which is equals to 3.5 kilo ohm. By calculating this, we get a 12 minus 3.5, and it gives 8.5 volt. Then the operating point for the Q is the 8.5 volt and 1 microampere.
Thank you.
Thank you.